In another primetime news follow-up, an intervention by the police this evening amidst fresh concerns that dangerous dogs in Lauriston St. Catherine were on the prowl over the weekend. This despite attacking 2 more residents from the area last week. As you'll hear in this report, with the list of injured persons increasing, the owner has given a commitment to finding a new home for his pit bulls.
Teachers at the Holiness Temple Early Childhood Development Center arrived to padlocked gates Monday morning. Residents of Lauriston St. Catherine say this had to be done because dangerous pit bulls were seen roaming the school's compound on the weekend. Despite the inconvenience, parents welcomed the move.
Right now, enough time I'm sending them come to school, I feel just pray to Jah and say, yo, Jah keep me out and keep you up in them. See what I say?
It really made me nervous when I know them there at school and dogs up and loose. Big pit bull at least.
The same dogs only days ago bit and injured a resident who had moments before the incident picked up her daughter from school. Another woman who was attempting to run from the ferocious dogs was also injured.
Baby pain, I cannot sleep at night. My daughter traumatized. My daughter cannot go to school. She said she don't want to go back at that school because of the dog. My daughter was there when me running, but my daughter run leave me. But she said she don't want to go back at that school. So I need this dog to leave. The dog going on the school Friday, dog on the school compound Saturday too.
Right now, the X-ray show the bone fracture, and the doctor says it's something in and never chip the bone chip or what.
In addition to the padlocked gates, the people blocked the road demanding action against the owner. We observed policemen speaking to him, but they eventually left. We sought a response from the man who denied that the dogs on the compound were his. Here's what he told the councillor for the Lauriston division about why the dogs were needed.
Well, I just spoke to the owner, Mr. Thompson, who has indicated to me that he has some serious security challenges.
More police officers arrived on the scene, and after speaking with the owner, the officers informed the residents that he promised to remove the dogs by the end of the day. It was the news the people needed to remove the roadblocks and to open the padlocked gates.